I'm gonna teach you how to paint rust on your terrain in a minute or two. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna teach you this simple, cheap technique how to make a realistic looking rust. Well, realistic is not the true word, which I like to say, because I rather use the word good looking, because realism is not often looking good, right? So my aim with this technique is the terrain to look cool and it's still striking the effects of realism in your eyes. So basically, the number one and only rule in terrain making or in hobby in general is the rule of cool. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're starting by priming your metallic pieces with dark brown and then stipple or dry brush with metallic color. I prefer dark metallic, such as gunmetal. So once you have it, grab an opaque, cheap orange color, load it on your dry palette, grab a sponge and start stippling it into your metallic pieces. Now I suggest you to be really careful with this and go slow and build up the rust. The location of the rust is completely up to you. So once you're done with stippling your rust, now grab a cheap orange oil paint and mix it up with a solvent with basically 1:1. We are not doing wash, we are just thinning down the oil paint. So once you have your orange thinned down and ready, apply it to your brush and start applying it to your terrain. Now again, location is completely up to you. My aim with this step is to go into deepest recesses and apply it there, especially around the rivets and, for example, around the handle on this door. And once this is dried, it creates this dry looking rusty look. Give it a few hours to dry and then go back to your dark metallic and just stipple it all over it. And boom, then you have it. Easy rust. If you like what you see in here, as usual, please like, comment, subscribe. Keep the algorithm machine running, so it will help me greatly to producing more of these videos. And next week, I will be doing the full tutorial of how I made this amazing 40K terrain set. So until then, see you.